reflecting your mindset and action strategy. सामने सदा खड़ी चुनौतियां असीमित, सामने सदा खड़ी चुनौतियां असीमित, हार हो या जीत किंचित नहीं भयभीत मैं, संघर्ष पथ पर जो मिला यह भी सही वह भी सही, कभी भी वरदान मांगा नहीं, हमेशा बुलंदी से कुछ न कुछ हासिल किया है. That has been your life story and that is the subject. Friends, may I thank you for listening to some of my heartbeats on this occasion, and may I now proceed to formal reading of the citation. Citation: seasoned professional par excellence and super achiever, Subodh Bhargava has in the last 3 decades of his proactive role in unfolding new horizons of India's industrial growth and diversity has left indelible imprint of his scintillating intellect, versatility of experience, far-sighted judgment, clarity of thought and perception, professional integrity, and above all, abiding commitment streamlined with a human touch. His successful foray in the automobile industry is mirrored in the creative continuum of success and achievement in the Eicher Group, rising from the ranks of general manager to the exalted post of chairman and chief executive, and since the year 2000 as its chairman emeritus. As chairman of Tata Communications now, Sri Bhargava has made a deep impact of his far-sighted vision and strategic management in India's services sector as well. He has played with great elan the role of a key spokesman of Indian industry as president of the Confederation of Indian Industries and as president of the Association of Automobile Manufacturers of India. Further, as independent director in leading industrial corporations, the list is endless, ranging from automobiles, communications, steel, power, to banking and healthcare. He continues to contribute to the vigorous and diversified growth of Indian industry. The management fraternity of India have greatly welcomed Mr. Subodh Bhargava's tryst with management education as a member of the board of directors of IIM, earlier IIM Indore, and currently Lucknow and Kashipur, as well as other prominent management and engineering institutes. His policy perspective for world-class management and technical education has been pace-setter for noteworthy changes in government policies. IMA, Indore Management Association, feels greatly privileged in honoring such an iconic management professional with its lifetime Outstanding Achievement Award on the occasion of the IMA International Management Conclave 2011 on transforming leadership, Kal, Aaj aur Kal. May I now request, before the formal ceremony, request for audio-visual action, please, for the formal introduction of our most distinguished guest.